If you are a struggling trader watching this right now, just know that you are not alone. I know trading is a lonely journey, but many others go through the same emotional ups and downs that you may seem to be going through right now. So please persevere and be persistent. I'm sure you'll be proud of yourself someday. If you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Laqsman, a forex trader, and this is a segment where I'm basically documenting my journey of being consistent in trading one strategy, one pair, one time frame. I want you all to come with me on this journey until I become profitable. If that's something you're interested in, please do well to like and subscribe. Thank you. Welcome guys. This is my chart. This is my chart for the week. Let's clear a lot of things because I couldn't make a video of the trade I take because I took 2 trades this week. I couldn't take or record a video for each trade I took, so I will just break it down and explain it here with you guys as far as I can. Let me clear the chart. Let me clear on the chart. First of all, from the higher time frame, I last weekend, which is on Sunday, I mark out all the level of level of sensitivity, the very strong level from the high time frame. If you can see here, we see the recent weekly low, the recent weekly high, the recent daily target high and weekly target high. So these are my key levels where I'm expecting price should because I'm expecting the price overall weekly low price came from here, was heading up, so I'm expecting price to reach the weekly target. So wow, it might not happen this week, but if it will eventually happen, I know where I'm targeting for the week. So moving on to the time frame I trade. Let's from here, Friday, I can see price from here is going up, so I was expecting price should break this zone, came back, spot my breaker block, then execute. So if you can see here, price has already done that, break here, which I know it has confirmed is going up. My breaker block is here. My inducement is here also. But while waiting for this, while waiting for this setup, a lot of things have happened. A lot of things. I face a lot of challenges because why? Price came on Monday. So you see here, from here, right from here, it's 7 a.m. London opened by 9:30. Price was consolidating. Price broke. It reached this overall previous, which is kind of also a breaker block or a very strong zone which price could reverse from. Price came from there because of, if you watch my previous video, there was a trade where I have an experience on that. I know no matter how price went up, if my zone is still valid, I will still be waiting for my zone so price can come and tap me in. Price was just ranging, and I spotted this trade when price hit this zone. But why? I will not take any trade since I'm waiting for the overall. My rule stated that I should not take any any, what is it called, any counter trade that is not from my overall bias, the overall current trend that is going. I should not take any trade. So that's how I spotted this zone, this trade. I refused to take the trade, thinking that this sell will lead to my buys that I've been waiting for. Price came here, did not reach the overall zone, breaker block zone. Price came back, keep going up. Then from there, I spotted a trend line here, which I said that if the way price is moving is creating a new selling zones. If price, since price refused to reach this zone, if price now price have break, price has created, here is the low, lower high, lower low, new lower high. So price should create a new lower low and break this point POI that give these cells. So price couldn't break this zone. Then price broke this trend line zone. Then I now said that okay, if price should break this zone, it means the selling is going to continue. And how sure am I that the buy will hold if this sell is very strong? Because if you can see here, the sales candlestick is very strong, have engulfed a lot of this candlestick that took 1, 2, 3, 4, more than 4 hours to form in one candlestick, have engulfed it. So I spotted a breaker block here, inducement also there, inducement is here. Then and the worst part that happened to me is that because I set a limit order for this for the buys, but what happened, because it came, if you can see here, it came around 11 p.m. and the spread is much more higher than the regular spread, because it's kind of Asian new Asian session. So I couldn't take the trade. I have my zone, but it couldn't tap me in, and the truth is that I was even afraid, if because of the way I saw the sales coming down, I was afraid if the buys will hold anymore. So I said I should just wait for the sales. Then I was targeting the previous entry zone. When the next day morning, 7:30, it tapped me in. It went about 1 to 3, yeah, 1 to 3. Then it's now reversed to take me out and keep going up. So immediately I saw that, I said okay, the price has respected this zone, no regret, because I just is decision making before each and every trader has to make a decision before taking a trade. Even with your own strategy, with your own trading confirmation, you can have a 2 zones which gives you all confirmation that you're supposed, most especially people that use this. If you trade supply and demand, you understand what I'm saying. You can see 2 supply zones or 2 demand zones or 3, 4 demand zones in a close levels. You will be confused of which one to take. So that's where decision making and experience comes in. I took the loss. But I should be truthful. Let me be frank and honest with you guys. When I took this loss, I was down. Because why? I waited for the setup for like 3 days, and when my real setup came, I could not take it. The one that I took, it was a loss, and my last week was a loss. So I was trying to make decision if I should even post this video, or if I should make this video or something. I was saying, is there any need to make, why should I be posting loss or something like that? I was just demotivated. But after I slept and um I was okay. I just read some quotes and affirmation. Then I gain my confidence back and everything. I say no problem. That's how trading works. Because I backtest and checked the output of my rule is was very good. Was very okay. It's just a decision making, and decision making. No matter how good, no matter how experienced you are a trader, sometimes you may make a wrong decision while taking a trade. So I just move on. Then the next day, which is Friday, since I know price has already breaking, taking out these zones, price is an uptrend. So let me just, if I find any confirmation, I will take on the price for the continuation. Price broke this zone and break this overall previous high. Then I'll now say, okay, let me spot my breaker block. I spot this breaker block. My inducement is there. My inducement are here. Then price came. Price came, tap me in. I was targeting 1 to 5, I guess, because my SL was 20 pips. My SL was 20 pips, and price went about 1 to 3. God. Price went about 1 to 3. 1 to 3 reached reward, but because of this breaker block that I spotted here, it couldn't allow the price to break to the overall TP. Price went there, came back. When I saw price coming back, because it was Friday and the market would close, I wouldn't just take unnecessary loss. I broke even to my entry. I said, if the price take me out, I'm fine, I'm done for the week. If price eventually go back, it's fine. If price, if you can see the candlestick, very strong candlestick that price created, push up, still couldn't break the zone. I say, I just put my break even to 1 to 1, so that at least if I'm out with something reasonable, or something that I will use to risk for the next trade. So that's what happened. Price came, took me out on my break even, and still that's where the market closed. So that's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'm also journaling my trade. And yes, on the Friday trade, this particular trade, I started taking the trade on my profile, because I'm seeing improvement on my strategy and the experience. So I've decided to start taking the trade on my profile. From now henceforth, I'll be taking each and every trade on my profile, while also taking it on the demo account that I created. I'm taking the trade before I eventually fund my live account. Thank you. Please do well to like and subscribe.